Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to find good product to sell on Amazon. So there are multiple products, right? But which one is good? So we will teach you how to find a good product to sell on Amazon. But before that, 5 important pointers. First one, please take proper time for doing product research. Just don't select your product within a day or two. Please take a proper week time and select your product, because we don't want that you buy any random product and it's not getting good sale on Amazon. Then it would be stuck with you and all your money would be stuck with that product itself. So please make sure you give proper time while doing product research. Number two, please make sure the selling price of your product should be more than 500 rupees. We don't want that you earn a very less profit margin, and if your product is more than 500 rupees, you might get good amount of profit. If your selling price is more than 1000, then it would be the best thing, but make sure 500 would be the bottom line. Below 500, please make sure you don't purchase any product. Third pointer, please have patience. You cannot expect that even after you're done the research, you cannot expect that your product is going to get a boom sale from the first day. It takes time. As your visibility is zero at the moment, it takes time, right? So please make sure first you select good products. After that, we will guarantee you that you are going to increase sale on Amazon. Fourth point, please make sure you are selecting product which has less competition. There shouldn't be more than 5 sellers in that particular product, or else you won't be able to get good margins, because you will be stuck in the price competitive range and you won't be able to earn good profit margin. Fifth one and final one, please make sure you don't compete with direct big brands. If you want to sell a big brand, take a distributorship, but please don't compete with the big brands, because you won't be able to match their pricing and you won't be able to match their advertising cost as well. So let's dig in and see how you can start your product research and bring out some good products for Amazon and start earning. So for that, you need to go on Amazon.in. So in the left hand side, as you can see, there is a 3-liner with all. If you scroll down, there is an option called shop by category. So these are all the categories which get good sales, which are in Amazon basically. So mobile, computer, TV, electronics, men's fashion, women's fashion, home, kitchen, pets, toys, baby, all this till movie, music and video games. So these all are the categories. So first pointer is that please make sure you jump into any category where you have some contact or you have some knowledge. Without knowledge, please don't just rush into any category, or else you will get your product for very high cost and you won't be able to sell them on Amazon, because pricing is also a key to get good sale. So please enter into a category which you have a basic knowledge about. Okay, so let's start how to search for any good product. So I will start with beauty health, and let's start with health and personal care. Okay, so health and personal care, I will search aloe vera cream. So as you can check here, you might get good big brands also, and there are the chances of getting good sale is in by default beauty product, right? So please make sure you search all the products properly. Now what you have to do next after you search any product. So I'm not saying you to start selling with this product. I have just randomly showed you this one. Click any product. So for example, I am clicking on this Sunny Herbal Aloe Vera. Okay, nothing to do with this product. Just scroll down and search for bestseller rank. Yes, the place where we used to find for ASIN code, which is over here, right? So now search for bestseller rank. Now you will be able to know in beauty, this particular product, Sunny, right, is ranked at 4560. Just imagine 4560 in the main category beauty and 181th rank in face cream. So now we will dig into beauty brand. Okay, so we'll click on C100 in beauty category. Now you can check which type of product are getting sold on beauty, right? So first is the soap. Okay, so obviously we cannot compete them. If you scroll down, so you can start with sunscreen, right, or neem powder face cream. So you will get multiple options over here. I'm not saying to start the same product, but you have to select at least 5 to 10 products from top 100 And so for example, if you select, I will just scroll down and I will say, if you select this glow sunscreen, okay, so now you have created your own sunscreen. Okay, this is the selling price of this sunscreen. This is 356. So now what you have to do, you have to create a similar product with your own brand. Okay, but make sure you keep your selling price at least 10% less than this. For example, if the selling price of this is 356, your selling price should be around 320 or 315. So what we can do is we will retarget this product and we will try to get each and every customer who is trying to buy this product. So as you can check, this fixed Dreama has already retargeted, but you only tell me the selling price of this product is 356 and the selling price of this fixed Dreama is 593. So it's but obvious no one is going to click here, right? Because the advertising product is a bit costlier and the product which we are in right now is a cheaper one, right? So this is one way you select your product. I will just one more option. So for example, I want to start with my fashion brand. Okay, so what I will do is I will just randomly click any product. Okay, once again I will just scroll down and I will look for bestseller rank. So this particular product, okay, which has more than 2500 rating, is ranked at 60 in clothing and accessory and is ranked at 2 in men casual shirt. So we'll go in clothing and accessory. So as you can see, Allen Solly men polo, so black polo shirt, which is the one I am wearing right now. Okay, so that one has number 1 ranking. Okay, if you can check inner garments, again polo neck shirt. So here you can do is you can copy the same product. You just cannot write their name, right? But you can copy. In clothing, you can by default copy the same product. So for example, if you want to start with this men's polo with black color. So for example, if Allen Solly is selling for 569, you can just cut down your 10% around 600 rupees and you can retarget this. So for example, Allen Solly is only targeting his company. Okay, for example, if black is for 659, his another color is just for 516. So we can obviously retarget them. Okay, so this is the way you retarget. You create your product, you get idea from the product, because in fashion, obviously, for example, if you scroll down, I will just tell you, for example, if this t-shirt with this graphic is famous and is working really good, then why not copy the same one? Because no one has a right on any design, right? So you can copy that same one. You can just do minor change if you want. Okay, you can do with the same color, with the same color print, and you can launch your product and you have to retarget this product. So we will teach you retargeting in our advertising lesson. Okay, so you can retarget them. So as you can check, this product is for 294. Okay, someone who is retargeting is for 379. So obviously no one is going to click here. Okay, so same one is for boy also. So it's a multi-sex, I guess. Anyone can. So no, so it's different. So make sure this is the best way to search your product, to do product research and find out. You don't need any app or any third party's help. Okay, you don't need Google also here, because the thing which are getting good sell on Amazon doesn't mean it will get good sell in other platform also. And the suggestion from other company or other website doesn't mean that it is going to give you 100% result on Amazon. If you do a proper research on Amazon, then it is 100% guaranteed that you will get good results. Okay, so this is the way. So basically I gave you 2 examples for the people who wanted to start their own brand. Okay, you can select any category and you can do the same process. What if I am a distributor of some company, and for example I am a distributor of HP, okay, and I don't know, in HP there are more than 1000 products, so by default I cannot purchase all the products, right? So which product would be good for me? So what I can do is I will go and again in category you have to select all category and I will write HP. Okay, so in HP you need to check which product has, so you need to check 2 things. First thing, which product has the most review rating, because if the product is selling, by default it will get good review rating. If the product is not selling, then the product won't get review rating. Then the first pointer is your product which you are going to select should have good review rating. So note down around 20 to 25 products which has good review rating. So okay, so if I write HP and I am a distributor of HP laptops, or for example HP cartridges, okay, so I will write HP cartridges. So you can check this cartridge has 20,000 plus review, which is again good. This cartridge has around 35,000 plus. This cartridge has around 8,000, 36,000. You scroll down, 5,000, 36,000, 20,000. So you have to select 20, okay, 20 top products which has good review rating. Then you have to click on one of the best, and you have to then in the right hand side you have to check how many seller does it has. For example, if this product it has no sellers, it has only one seller, which is Aprio. Okay, so I will check another product. Okay, for example, so for example, if I click on this product which has 36 ratings, so you can check it has around 3 more sellers. So I guess this product is way good for us because it has no seller, only one seller, and this product has 4 sellers. So the lesser the competition, chances of getting good sales is quite more. So make sure 2 important things: repeating again, the review of the product should be really high. Secondly, the number of sellers should be really low. If you get such product, then that product is going to give you boom sale, and you are going to like get more than your expected sales within a year, right? So this is the way. For example, I'm showing you one more brand. If you want, I will select on all category, and I will select, for example, I want to sell Prestige. Okay, so as everyone know, Prestige is a big brand again. Okay, so again what I will do is I will first check. So Prestige, this product has 33,000. Okay, so I will open that product. So first check each and every product, okay, of Prestige, and note down around 20 to 25 product which has good review rating. So top 20-25 product which has in ascending order the best at review rating. After that, click each and every product and check how each product has how many sellers. Okay, for example, this product has around 3 sellers. Okay, so I will just scroll down. I will click on this one which has 15,000. So this one has around same 3 sellers. So you have to select which one has less sellers. Okay, and after you finalize your product, that you know which product is good, which has good review rating and less seller, then you have to go with their pricing also. For example, if this product, the list price is 2,663, after that all sellers are increased 2,667, 2,695, right? So you need to check whether you will be able to give the less price which all the sellers are giving. So for example, here the least price right now is 2,663, so you have to provide with 2,662, minimum of 2,662. So by default you will get the complete buy box, and the next order which any customer gives to Amazon, it would come to you. So while doing researching, you have to check with the prices also. So all the brand owners and all the distributors and manufacturers and wholesalers, you know how to do a proper product research, right? So make sure you take your time, you just don't hurry, you take your time, you select right products for Amazon which will give you good sales. Just rushing into anything will never help in any scenario, right? So make sure you give proper time to product research, and after your product is finalized, you give proper time to their production also, where you cut down the cost if possible, so your selling price would be less and you will get more and more sale, right? So make sure you do all this thing. I am guessing you are writing down each and every stuff in your notebook or in your mobile. And secondly, please don't forget to comment below what all things you have learned. So it would be helpful for me and my team to know whether you are on the right track. Secondly, any new student come to this course or this lesson would know that what all things would be taught in this lesson. Thank you.